Hello guys, I'm George, I'm the TeckWrap trainer, and today I'm going to present you the new color PPF. Have a look. Always start with thorough surface prep. Clay bar and degreaser are mandatory. Remember, TPU is far less forgiving than PVC vinyl, so the surface must be surgically clean. Mask window trims and adjacent panels to prevent unwanted adhesive grab. Size your color PPF panel. Peel back the top section of the liner and anchor the film across the upper edge. Once secured, release the rest of the liner to tack it onto the door. Perform a cold stretch at the edges. Notice the incredible elasticity of TPU compared to regular vinyl. Smooth out the film with your hand to push out any trapped air pockets. Use a soft squeegee. Firm, overlapping strokes are key to properly bonding the adhesive to the clear coat. Watch the squeegee angle. Keep it flat and consistent across these large, even surfaces to avoid glue lines. We've relied on cold stretching so far. Now introduce a heat gun for the body line. Distribute the heat evenly to relax the TPU, then apply a decisive stretch to conform the film to the recess. Moving towards the lower edge, repeat the core process. Stretch, squeegee, and push the air out to ensure maximum adhesive contact. Apply controlled bursts of heat only when needed to reset the tension, and keep feeding the film down. Now for the door handle recess. We need a precise relief cut to install the handle later. Using a segmented wrapper's knife, keep your blade shallow and steady. This requires absolute precision to avoid scoring the paint underneath. Repeat the process. Carefully trace the inner contour and weed out the excess TPU from the recess. This is exactly why we masked the edges earlier. The tape protects the rubber seals and window frames while you make your flush edge cuts. Cutting is only half the job. Use wrap sticks or micro squeegees to carefully tuck the TPU under the trim. They are essential for sealing tight, complex gaps. Slightly lift the molding to expose the hidden edge. This technique gives you the clearance needed for a surgically clean cut directly on the panel's edge. Glide the blade smoothly along the bottom edge, then peel away the excess film. Do a final quality check for any trapped air bubbles and verify the adhesive has fully bonded. Time for the next trim. Always snap off your blade before edge work. A fresh, sharp blade prevents jagged cuts in the thick TPU. Keep your cutting motion fluid and continuous. Finalize the remaining corners and edges. Heat the edges to seal the deal and double check your corner adhesion. We are almost done with the final cut. Remember, TeckWrap Color PPF isn't just about aesthetics, it's true TPU. It offers incredible depth and high gloss, combined with the ultimate rock chip protection that standard PVC vinyl simply cannot match.
Well, get up! Get up, do the up rock. Get down and shake it when the beat drop.
And that's a wrap. The film is perfectly bonded, protecting the paint while delivering a complete color transformation. The biggest advantage of TeckWrap's Color PPF is its self-healing capability. Minor surface scratches simply vanish under heat. Combine that with an extensive color palette and you get the ultimate finish. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this build.